Hello everyone, welcome back to the another interesting maths class. Students, today in this class we are starting exercise 7b. Question number 1 of this exercise is, a greater of two numbers is 12 more than the smaller, right? They said the greater of two numbers is 12 more than the smaller and the sum of two numbers is 10. Find the number. First of all, assume that which they have asked. उन्होंने नंबर पूछा है, so let the smaller number be x. मान लेते हैं smaller number क्या है, x है. Then they said the greater of two number is, जो greater number है, that number is 12 more than the smaller number. It means ये जो smaller number है x, greater number is 12 more than this. More means plus. So the greater number will be x plus 12. Now they said the sum of these two numbers is 10. This is the sum. Now according to the question, they said sum is 10 now. Smaller number is x plus greater number is x plus 12 and the sum is 10. Now you will simply solve this equation. Open the bracket first. X plus 12 is equals to 10. X plus x, 2x plus 12 is equals to 10. Move this 12 to the another side. 2x is equals to 10 minus 12. Now 2x is equals to 10 minus 12 means sign are different. So these will be subtracted. 12 minus 10, 2, and sign will be greater numeral which is minus. 2x means 2 multiply x. You want to find the value of x. So move this 2 to the another side. On left hand side this was in multiplication. After moving to the another side this will be in division. So 2 ones are 2 of minus sign. So the value of x is minus 1. And what was x? The smaller number. So the smaller number is minus 1. And what was greater number? Greater number was 12 more than smaller number. So to find the greater number, in smaller number minus 1 में आप add कर देंगे 12. Sign are different, so these will be subtracted. 12 minus 1, 11. So smaller number is minus 1 and greater number is 11. This is your answer. Next question, question number 2 is, one number is 5 times another. Right? एक number क्या है? 5 times another है. If 18 is subtracted from the greater, then the remainder will be 3 times the smaller. Right? Find the number. First of all, find the number बोला है. So we will assume let the number be x. Now, one by one read the statement and write it in the mathematical form. One number is 5 times another. So another one number was x. So another number will be 5 times x. It means 5x. Right? Now they said if 18 is subtracted from the greater, x और 5x में से कौन सा नंबर ग्रेटर होगा? 5x of course, right? So they said if 18 is subtracted from this number, अगर इस नंबर में से 18 subtract कर दें, the remainder will be, जो remainder आएगा will be 3 times the smaller number. वो 3 times हो जाएगा किसका? This smaller number x. Right? Now this is the equation. 5x minus 18 is equals to 3x. Move the terms having variable to the left and constants to the right. So 5x minus 3x is equals to, after moving to the right hand side, 18 will be of plus sign. So 18 here. 5x minus 3x is 2x is equals to 18. 2x means 2 multiply x, right? You want to find the value of x now. So x is equals to 18 divided by 2. It means x is equals to 9, right? What were they asking in the question? Find the number, right? Number find out करना है. So one number was x and another was 5x. So one number is 9, which was x. Another number, 5 times x, it means 5 multiply 9, it means 45. So this and this is your answer. Next question, question number 3. Find 3 consecutive numbers whose sum is 108. पहले तो आपको पता होना चाहिए what does it mean consecutive numbers. Consecutive numbers means the numbers which are in sequence like 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. These are consecutive numbers. In consecutive numbers there will be difference of 1, right? 2, 1 का difference होगा. 6 and 7 में we have difference of 1 number. In 7 and 8 we have difference of 1 number. So let the 3 consecutive numbers are, first मान लिया x है, so second will be 1 more than this x, x plus 1, and third will be 1 more than this, so x plus 1 will be x plus 2. So let these 3 are consecutive numbers. Then they said sum of these consecutive numbers is 108. Now write it in the form of mathematical term. Right? Sum means plus x plus first consecutive number, second consecutive number plus third consecutive number, and their sum is 108. Now open the bracket. X plus 1 plus x plus 2 is equals to 108. X plus x, 3x plus 1 plus 2, 3 is equals to 108. Now move this constant to the another side. 3x is equals to 108 minus 3, right? So 3x is equals to 105. 3x means 3 multiply x, right? So you want to find the value of x now, so move this 3 to the another side. X is equals to 105 divided by 3. 3 3s are 9, 3 5s are 15. So x is equals to 35, right? This was first number. So first number is 35. Second number 35 plus 1, 36. Third number 36 plus 1, 37, right? So these are 3 consecutive numbers whose sum is 108. Now next part of this question, find 3 consecutive odd numbers whose sum is 93. Students, in previous question they just asked consecutive numbers, but now there is consecutive odd numbers. For example, अगर first odd number 1 है, so second odd number should be 3, then 5, then 7, then 9, then 11. These are consecutive odd numbers, right? So for example, if 1 is 2x plus 1, odd numbers को हम इस फॉर्म में लिख सकते हैं. If 1 is 2x plus 1, second will be 2x plus 3. Why 2x plus 3? Because अगर 2x plus 2 हो जाएगा that will be even number. 1 के बाद अगर हम 2 ऐड करेंगे वो even number बन जाएगा, right? And third will be 2x plus 5. Now they said sum of these consecutive numbers is 93. These consecutive odd numbers को अगर हम ऐड करेंगे we will get this 93. So according to question, 2x plus 1 plus 2x plus 3 plus 2x plus 5 is equals to 93. First of all, open these brackets. 2x plus 1 plus 2x plus 2 plus 2x plus 5. Sorry, this was 3. 2x plus 5 is equals to 93. Now, add the like terms. 2x, 2x, 2x. So, this is plus 1 plus 3, 4 plus 5, 9 is equals to 93. 6x, move this 9 to the another side. 93 minus 9. 6x is equals to 93 and minus 9 is 84, because 93 minus 9 is 84, right? 6x means 6 multiply x. So x is equals to 84 divided by 6. 6 ones are 6, 6 fours are 24, right? So x is equals to 14. They were asking the consecutive numbers. It means 2x plus 1, 2x plus 3, 2x plus 5. So first odd number is 2x plus 1. 2x plus 1. It means 2 multiply 14 plus 1. 14 2s are 28 plus 1, 29. Second consecutive odd number is 2x plus 3. That means 2 multiply 14 plus 3. 28 plus 3 is equals to 31. Third consecutive odd number is 2x plus 5. It means 2 multiply 14 plus 5. 14 2s are 28 plus 5, which is 33, right? So 29, 31 and 33 are three consecutive numbers whose sum is 93. This will be your answer. Next, fourth part of the question number 3 is the sum of three consecutive numbers of 7 is 777. Find these multiples. Students, multiple means the number which are divisible by 7. वो numbers जो 7 से divisible हो जाएंगे, those numbers are multiples of 7. So let the first multiple be 7x, second will be 7x plus 7 and third will be, इसमें 7 ऐड कर देंगे, 7x plus 14, right? So three consecutive numbers which are multiple of 7 are these. They said their sum is 777. Now according to the question, their sum, it means 7x plus 7 plus 7x plus 14 is equals to 777. Open the bracket. 7x plus 7x plus 7 plus 7x plus 14 is equals to 777. Add the like terms, 7x, 7x, 7x. It will be 21x plus 7 plus 14 will be 21 is equals to 777. Move this 21 to the right hand side. 21x is equals to 777 minus 21. Subtract them. 777 minus 21. 7 minus 1, 6. 7 minus 2, 5. 7. So this will be 21x is equals to 756. 21x means 21 multiply x and you want to find the value of x. So move this 21 to the right hand side. After moving to the right hand side, this will become of division, right? Division में चला जाएगा. That means in denominator. So you can also cut it. 3 7s are 21. 3 2s are 6. 1 is remaining. 3 5s are 15. 3 2s are 6. 7 3s are 21. 4 is remaining. 7 6 are 42. Right? So x is equals to 36. This is you are getting. But they were asking three consecutive multiple of 7, which were 7x, 7x plus 7, 7x plus 14. So we will find the value of this. First multiple of 7. (7x), it means 7 multiply, what is x here? 36. So this is equals to 252. Second consecutive number which is multiple of 7. 7 will be 7x plus 7. It means 7 multiply 36 plus 7. This will be equals to 259. Similarly, third consecutive number which is multiple of 7 is 7x plus 14. So 7 multiply x is 36 plus 14. This will be equals to 266, right? So these are three consecutive numbers which are multiple of 7 and their addition is 777. So this is your answer. Next question, question number 4 is divide 534 into 3 parts such that the second part will be 32 less than twice the first and third part will be 18 more than the first, right? Second भी उन्होंने first के respect में दिया है and third number is also given in respect of first. So first of all we will assume that let the first part be x. So second number will be 32 less than twice the first. जो first है उसके twice से 32 less, right? So this is equals to 2x minus 32. Third will be 18 more than the first. So from the first 18 more, right? So first part is this, second part is this and third part is this. In the question they said total part is this because they have divided this into these three parts. So the sum should be equals to this. So x plus this part 2x minus 32 plus this part x plus 18 is equals to 534. Open the bracket first. X plus 2x minus 32 plus x plus 18 is equals to 534. Now add the terms having variables, it means like terms. 2x plus 1x, 3x plus 1x, 4x. So this is 4x, 32 and 18 both are of different signs, so these will be subtracted. Subtract them. 32 minus 18 is 14 and sign will be of greater numeral which is minus, is equals to 534. Now move this 14 to the another side. 4x is equals to 534 plus 14. 4x is equals to, add these two numbers, 4 plus 4, 8, 3 plus 1, 4, 5 as it is. 4x means 4 multiply x and you want to find the value of x. So x is equals to 548 divided by 4. So divided, 4 ones are 4, 1 is remaining, 4 threes are 12, 2 is remaining, 4 sevens are 28. So the value of x is 137. What were they asking in the question? They were asking these three parts, this, this and this. So let's find its value. First part was x na, which is equals to 137. Second part was 2x minus 32. Put the value of x. 2 multiply x is 137 minus 32 which is equals to 242. Third part is x plus 18. So x was 137 plus 18. When you will add these two, you will get 155. So they have divided 534 into these three parts, 137, 242 and 155. So this is your answer. Next is question number 5. 3 times the smallest of 3 consecutive odd numbers. First of all, they are talking about the 3 consecutive odd numbers. So let the 3 consecutive odd numbers be 2x plus 1, 2x plus 3 and 2x plus 5, right? Now what they have mentioned in the question, 3 times the smallest of 3 consecutive odd numbers. Smallest ये है, तो क्या बोला इसका 3 टाइम्स। सो 3 टाइम्स मतलब 3 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे टू द स्मॉलेस्ट कॉन्जिक्यूटिव ऑड नंबर्स डिक्रीज्ड बाय 7, इसको डिक्रीज करना है बाय 7। नाउ दिस इज इक्वल है किसके, ट्वाइस द लार्जेस्ट वन, जो लार्जेस्ट वन है इसके ट्वाइस के इक्वल है, राइट। So now this is the equation which is according to the given statement. Now solve it. This is distributive property. 3 2s are 6x plus 3 1s are 3 minus 7 is equals to 2 2s are 4x plus 2 5s are 10. Move the terms having variable to the left and constant terms to the right. Right? 6x minus 4x is equals to 10 minus 3 plus 7. 6x minus 4 is 2x is equals to 10 minus 3 7 plus 7 14. 2x means 2 multiply x, so x is equals to 14 divided by 2. 2 7s are 14, so x is equals to 7. They were asking the consecutive numbers, odd consecutive numbers, it means these numbers. So find their value. First odd number is 2x plus 1, it means 2 multiply 7 plus 1, 2 7s are 14 plus 1 15. Second consecutive odd number is 2x plus 3, it means 2 multiply x is 7 plus 3, 2 7s are 14 plus 3 is 17. Third consecutive odd number is 2x plus 5, it means 2 multiply 7 plus 5, 2 7s are 14 plus 5 is 19. So these are 3 consecutive odd numbers, right? So this is your answer. Next question, question number 6. One number is 7 more than another. So पहले मान ही लेते हैं, let the one number is x and another number is 7 more than this number. Now the set and its square, इसका जो square है, जो 7 more number आया है 7 ऐड करके, its square is 77 more, ये जो इसका square है, square means power 2, square is 77 more than the square of smaller number. ये क्या है, इसका जो square है वो जो smaller number का square था उससे कितना ज़्यादा है, 77 है, right? So it means अगर हम इसमें 77 ऐड कर दें, both will be equal. Clear? Because ये नंबर जो है वो कितना ज़्यादा है इस नंबर से, 77 ज़्यादा है. Clear? So we can write this statement like this. Now solve it. This is in the form of a plus b whole square. So you can use the formula a square, it means x square, plus 2ab, 2 into x into 7 plus b square, it means 7 का square is equals to x square plus 77, right? X square plus 7 2s are 14, x plus 7 7s are 49 is equals to x square plus 77. Move the terms having variable to the left and constant to the right. X square plus 14x minus x square is equals to 77 minus 49. Plus x square minus x square cancel out. 14x is equals to 77 minus 49 will be 28. So x is equals to 28 divided by 14. 14 2s are 28. X is equals to 2. Right? What were they asking? What are the numbers? ठीक है, numbers कौन कौन से हैं? So x and x plus 7. So first number is x, which is 2. Second number x plus 7, it means 2 plus 7, which is equals to 9. So first number is 2 and second number is 9. This is your answer. Next, question number 7. The square of greater of two consecutive even numbers. पहले हम two consecutive even numbers मान लेते हैं. Suppose first one is 2x and second one is 2x plus 2. Right? These are two consecutive even numbers. They said square of the greater of two consecutive even numbers. इसका जो स्क्वायर है एक्सीड कर रहा है द स्क्वायर ऑफ स्मॉलर नंबर्स. स्मॉलर नंबर के स्क्वायर से ज़्यादा है कितना? 36. इट मीन्स जो इनके स्क्वायर का डिफरेंस है वो कितना आना चाहिए? 36. सो स्क्वायर ऑफ ग्रेटर कॉन्जिक्यूटिव इवन नंबर माइनस स्क्वायर ऑफ स्मॉलर कॉन्जिक्यूटिव इवन नंबर इज इक्वल्स टू 36. बिकॉज ये इसका जो स्क्वायर था इस नंबर के स्मॉलर कॉन्जिक्यूटिव इवन नंबर के स्क्वायर से एक्सीड कर रहा था 36. सो द डिफरेंस शुड बी 36. नाउ सॉल्व इट. दिस इज इन द फॉर्म ऑफ a प्लस बी होल स्क्वायर. सो a का स्क्वायर प्लस 2 इंटू ए प्लस बी का स्क्वायर इज इक्वल्स माइनस साइन इज हियर ना. 2x square is equals to 36. Now solve it. 2x whole square means 2x multiply 2x. Now 2x whole square means 2x multiply 2x. 2 2s are 4 x square. So right here 4x square plus 2 2s are 4 multiplication 2ab. Right? 2 2s are 4 2s are 8x plus 2 2s are 4 minus 2x square again 4x square is equals to 36 plus 4x square minus 4x square. Now this is 8x plus 4 is equals to 36. Move this 4 to the another side. 8x is equals to 36 minus 4. 8x is equals to 32. 8x means 8 multiply x. So x is equals to 32 divided by 8. 8 4s are 32. So x is equals to 4. They were asking consecutive even numbers, right? So first even number is equals to 2x. It means 2 multiply x is 4. 8. It's consecutive even number 2x plus 2. 2x plus 2. X is 4. 2 multiply 4 plus 2. 2 4s are 8 plus 2 10. So first consecutive number is 8 and second consecutive number is 10. This is your answer. So students, today we have discussed from question number 1 to question number 7 of exercise 7b. Practice all these questions. If you have any doubt in any question, ask me personally. Tomorrow we will start with the question number 8. Thank you. Have a good day.